Hey guys, Shane from Jag's Journeys. I'm back today at DREAMWORLD in the Gold Coast. We've had lots of requests from our subscribers to do a retail merchandise review here at DREAMWORLD after our Movie World review. So we're going to come in there today and just pan through the stores and show you what merchandise is available here at DREAMWORLD. Also, while we're here, we've had more requests for another steel taipan construction update. So we're going to have a look at that as well while we're here and bring you along for the journey. So why don't you come along with me now and join the journey. So this steel taipan roller coaster construction update is current as of the 3rd of May 2021. So we're just going to pop down and have a look at the steel taipan construction update from down the middle of the park. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Well, as you can see, there's a lot more progress now on the 1.2 kilometer track for the steel taipan. Lots more support beams. If we just look down this way, they are now ready, I think nearly ready for support beams to go up from there to support the rest of the track. It'll come through this section of the ride, and obviously there's a lot more to do yet, but heaps of progress, which is really cool to see. Love the way we are together. I think we always stay this way. And how I wanna build my whole world with you and my ever. And now I will make us so much better. And there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want. Come on, take it, baby, you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle, and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up, 'cause I'm better, but baby you're not. So if you think about it, it's only really about 7 months away before steel taipan will hopefully be ready to be open to the public. So you know, probably over the next maybe month or so, the rest of the track will no doubt be in. It's all the other stuff they have to do, particularly the cabling, the electrical work, and then the theming, and then of course there's the testing of the ride. So lots to do yet, but we'll keep you updated. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. So I'm not sure if you can see, but there's still well over, I've counted well over, well, up to around about 100 more footings in the ride compound. So that means there's at least another 100 more or more poles to go up yet, which means obviously there's a lot more track to still get put in. As I say, it's a 1.2 kilometer track, so lots more to do yet, but really taking shape now, which is awesome. Alright, well now we're going to check out the retail merchandise stores, and we're going to start with the pit stop store at the McDowan motor coaster ride. Hey guys, so at the moment in the Motor Coaster pit shop, there is 30% off all Jet Pilot, Fox, Element, DC, Unit and RVCA brand. So there's lots of yummy things to see in the candy store. Now we're going to go and check out the Fairy Tale Treasures store. Let's go and check out the Main Street Emporium. And they also have a surf store here called Rip Curl Surf Central. Let's go and check that out now. There's definitely some awesome sale prices here in the surf store next to the Emporium on Main Street. Well, hey guys, so if you're liking our video content just like these guys do, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring a notification bell. That'll keep you up to date with all our fun journeys we have. Please also don't forget to like and share our videos. That'll be greatly appreciated. Hey guys, we did notice that just about every retail store that has clothing has a percentage off, and a lot of them are around 30% off. And a lot of them were actually brand name clothing as well that you find in the shopping centres. So make sure next time you're at Dreamworld, you pop into the retail stores here and check out all their sale items. You'll definitely pick yourself up a bargain. Hey guys, so we're going to check out the Shaka Shack store now, which is located down by the Gold Coaster roller coaster. Well, hey guys, unfortunately the Shaka Shack store was closed today, but there is some sale items in there for around 40% off, and then just a range of different kind of merchandise, similar to the Emporium, plus some car themed merchandise as well. Alright guys, now we're going to check out the retail store down at Tiger Island. Going to check out if there's any tigers in the rock habitat area. That was pretty cool to see tiger so up close, so that was pretty cool. Anyway, we're going to go and check out Tiger Bazaar. Hey guys, you make sure you come down to the Tiger Bazaar store. It's a really nice store and there's lots of cool products. Got myself a few things as well, so make sure you buy something when you're there.
Hi, we watched Journey's video with a big fan, and if you want to check out my channel, it's Jeremiah McDonald. Make sure you subscribe there. Thank you.
Awesome, nice to meet you guys.
Nice meeting you.
Well, hey guys, so now we're going to check out what I think is the best themed retail store here at DreamWorld, and that is the Madagascar Cargo Hold store. So let's go check it out now. Well, hey guys, so that's going to do it from my look today at the retail merchandise stores here at DreamWorld in the Gold Coast. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please put a comment below. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, what your thoughts were about retail here at DreamWorld. I think they had some really good quality product. A lot of it was on sale, up to 30-40% off some of the apparel, so it was definitely worth taking a look. Yeah, all in all, we enjoyed it, and the stores here are very high quality, and the merchandising standards are definitely like world class. And that Madagascar cargo hold retail store, definitely world class theming in that store. So make sure next time you're at DreamWorld you take a look around at the retail stores and pick yourself up a bargain as well. Also, I hope you enjoyed this steel taipan roller coaster construction update. A lot more has gone ahead since last time we were here, and progress will happen pretty quickly now as far as the track's concerned. So we'll try to keep you updated as often as we can. Anyway guys, if you're new to our channel, Jag's Journeys, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. Ring the notification bell. That'll keep you up to date with all our fun journeys we have. Also, please like and share our videos. That's always greatly appreciated. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next journey.